Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our Tesla look unit that we installed in a Porsche Cayenne that it didn't come with any navigation backup camera. It's a Porsche Cayenne GTS. Came with the basic radio, PCM 3.1. It was a basic radio, but it came with the fiber optic. We retained the fiber optic. So we have sound through the amplifier of the car without any problem. So this is the main menu of the unit, that it has a video that you can play video through the USB that we added in the glove box. So simply you can go to the video section and play the video, or you can go to music and it plays from the USB too. The other features that it has, you can go to the radio, all the information on the radio it shows on the cluster of the car too, so you can see all those information on the cluster as well. And hands-free is there, Bluetooth music which was missing in this car, it's there, steering wheel control still working perfectly fine without any problem, and apps are here, like you can go to YouTube, that's our YouTube channel 4x4 Shop. You can play anything you want from YouTube as well. Navigation is here. Right now we are using Google Maps. You can use offline maps as well. That's where we are located, in Markham, Ontario. And you can install apps if you want. The Play Store is there. Backup camera with dynamic parking guideline is there. So by going to reverse, the screen shifts to backup camera with dynamic parking guideline. By going back to park, it goes back to the normal mode. Browser is there, so basically you can go to any website that you like. It's like a personal computer in the car. So without any problem you can browse, you can go to our website, you can go check news or whatever you want. Car info is here. It reads all the information of the car from the OBD, such as RPM, speed of the car, and range for the gas, and all other informations. The other thing is, like, you can go even set all those features that they're inside your car, and it reads a lot of information from your car too. That's the Android setting, same as any type of Android. And as you can see, the Android is 7.1. Yeah, if you're interested to get this radio, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can order it online at 4x4shop.ca. And that's for the phone mirroring, that you can do it with basically either Android phone or iPhone. You can mirror your phone to the same screen too. And that's a phone touchpad. It's amazing unit. The way that it fits on the dash, it's perfect. No gaps, and it gives a really nice look to this Porsche Cayenne. Again, if you want to order this unit, you can order it online at 4x4shop.ca, or you can just simply give us a call at 905-604-4294. Thank you and have a great day.